The Lord is my shepherd, and that is not just a comforting sentence. It is a declaration of identity and security over your life. If the Lord is your shepherd, then you are not lost, you are not abandoned, you are not trying to survive this world by your own strength. A shepherd leads with intention, protects with courage, and provides with consistency. That means every step you are taking right now is seen by God. Every battle you are facing is known by God. Every silent prayer you have whispered is heard by God. I shall not want means you will not lack what truly matters. It does not mean life will be easy. It means God will be faithful. When resources look low, He is still your provider. When strength feels weak, He is still your source. When answers seem delayed, He is still working behind the scenes. He makes me lie down in green pastures means God gives rest to the restless soul. In a culture that glorifies stress and constant movement, God commands rest. He knows when your mind is overloaded. He knows when your heart is exhausted. He knows when you are carrying pressure you were never meant to carry alone. He leads me beside still waters means He brings peace into chaos. Still waters represent calm in the middle of uncertainty. When everything around you feels loud, God has the power to quiet your spirit. He restores my soul means He does not only fix surface problems, He heals deep wounds. He restores what was broken by disappointment. He restores what was drained by betrayal. He restores what was weakened by fear. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake, means your life has direction and purpose. God is not randomly moving you. He is shaping you. He is aligning you. He is preparing you for something greater than what you currently see. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil means dark seasons will come, but they will not control you. Valleys are temporary. Shadows cannot harm you. Fear loses power when faith stands firm. For you are with me is the reason courage rises. The presence of God changes everything. You may face pressure, but you are not facing it alone. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me means God both protects and corrects. The rod represents defense against attacks. The staff represents guidance when you drift. God fights for you and guides you at the same time. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies means God can bless you publicly. He can elevate you in front of doubt. He can favor you in front of opposition. He does not need to remove every enemy to show His power. He anoints my head with oil means you are chosen, marked, and covered. Oil represents blessing and authority. My cup overflows means God does not give you barely enough. He gives abundance. He gives grace beyond mistakes. He gives mercy beyond failures. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life means your future is not empty. Goodness is ahead of you. Mercy is behind you. You are surrounded by divine favor. And I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever means this promise is not temporary. It is eternal. Your security is not built on money, status, or people. It is built on God. So today stand firm in this truth. You are guided. You are protected. You are provided for. You are restored. You are covered. The Lord is your shepherd. And because He is your shepherd, you will not be defeated, you will not be destroyed, and you will not be alone.